As you remember, we were comparing the prompting, the same prompting for the sky in the different engines. Let's do the same, but let's play around and let's find our source images. Let's play around with our source images. Generally, I will need this one and this one. Yeah, generally, I will take them here. So yeah, we have a source images, and let's like try to change them a little bit with other engines. So I'm selecting the same. I'm selecting my standard prompt. I'm selecting source image, and I'll try different engines. Make the sky more cloudy. Clouds are white and fluffy. Okay, let's see how it will work with the reference sky file. I'm simply changing engines. Just change to ChatGPT now. Hitting make. Surprisingly expensive. 5.87 per ChatGPT, so it's very expensive for me. I am definitely now not so happy at all. So also please remember that also check the price, yeah, because the price are set by AI providers. They are like telling us which is the cost of their engines. And now we can compare our current sky set from the source image. And what do we have here? So NanoBanana, Flux 2 Pro, NanoBanana Standard, Seedream, and ChatGPT. Let's wait a little bit and let's compare NanoBanana to Flux Pro. Right click, compare A, right click, compare B, enlarge this button, and let's compare it. Quite good, quite good. Like surprisingly, in this case, Flux is very good. So generally, I don't think that I need NanoBanana Pro next time to, you know, reimagine something. Because if you'll check NanoBanana, Flux has also good price. They sometimes have some discounts. Seedream is the cheapest one, as I see for this moment. Yeah, and always check the prices because, you know, the AI market is crazy and the costs per credits are jumping. So like you need to understand how it's working and always check the price and to understand is it good for today. So let's compare NanoBanana Pro with usual NanoBanana. Also quite good. In this competition, everything works perfectly. Compare NanoBanana Pro with Seedream. Surprisingly, very good results. Very good, very similar. I'll have the same. But I cannot say this about GPT image generator. I can compare NanoBanana Pro and normal GPT. Not so good. Like too childish, too crazy. I can use it in some cartoons, but not in artist renders. Not in real estate or marketing stuff. So generally, I think here we have winners are of course NanoBanana Pro, the most natural one. Usual NanoBanana is not so good for me. Seedream surprisingly good, and the Flux also good, but the third place for Flux, it's expensive. No, sorry. GPT is expensive. Flux 2 is good. Yeah, fair price for the fair results. So generally, in this case, you don't need specifically one engine to create or recreate your sky or reference images. So you can play around as I made here. And feel free to test it. See you in the next tutorials. Bye.